ebi no mo kaka say airport no kwa ye nwie na mo kom e yampa airport bi ani wa ye wie da. To move in here so that to give us the opportunity to break part of the old terminal and the old VIP, which is part of the extension of the runway and also the apron. Ghana's aviation industry, Mr. President, is showing resilience and consistent growth as a result of government's continuous support for the sector. As I speak, both domestic and international passenger numbers have shown strong growth potentials, with domestic passenger numbers exceeding pre-COVID-19 peak condition by 23.4% as the year ending 2023. This is indeed a historic performance which underscores the strong government support that our air transport sector enjoys. The airport ultimately will be the gateway that will serve as a driver for economic development, strengthen international relationships, and inspire all who come into contact with us. Much as government work to create a vibrant aviation industry, it is also important that we take steps to urgently address the creeping challenges, including encroachment on airport lands. It is an issue that threatens future expansion if not immediately addressed. Therefore, I wish to take this opportunity to urge the Ghana Airport Company Limited and the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority to collaborate closely with the Lands Commission to properly secure and protect airport lands. It is also important that the operation of the airport is in accordance with ICAO standards and recommended practices. We must all do what we can to ensure that the investment that has gone into this project does not go waste for the people of this country. The ministry on its part, Mr. President, will continue to pursue strategies to make Ghana's aviation hub within the West African region and beyond. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I would like to acknowledge the collective effort and commitment of all stakeholders and organizations involved in this project. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the engineers and architects who designed this magnificent structure, the contractor UK, and the consultant ADK Consortium, who has brought this magnificent edifice to life, as well as the board and management of Nana Airport Company Limited, the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, and the funding agency. Your support has made this endeavor a reality. Mr. President, answer the metro. The person of power chow. Let me kakakriana, me krum, domna se me haya, omutie mi, omutu tie bi. Se enne, omampanyin otumfo tia. Omo be kati, omo be commission prepare the first international airport. This magnificent terminal, the radar, any control tower. The managing director can be so phase 2 no, na only the terminal ne pe. Omampanyin trans was there be CAC terminal pe. Ni enya control tower, ni enya radar, we enya function. Nti ofre nyina na was phase 3 no. Yam famuna nim e meka phase 2 no. The yam misi terminal we nsiwa enya function. Nti e di pa anim enne ade esi wo yawie. If you're a serious country, airport to be anywhere you real construction that because alu play mode the construction here costs uko hidra na mami broni on make and we have a chance. I said every day construction is going on. Uko Dubai airport construction is going on. Na yeba na yanya kwan na all terminal etume buagu because ye mu baby emu ni emu VIP na runway no ayeye malu play betume free abochira ba no entumi nye nti busumi mienu no ni aye taxi we na wie ni aye trans ni nyina obede no ni awie tamale the commission tamale dey in July they start operation in October the commission we in May they start operation in June na for yanya kwan in the meantime no runway no mu guso a omoye nti enu June no ni yabubu dan ni bi no matwas na September ye a Dunfo, I'm saying, no, who shall be boss? It's British plane no car, only president, Madame Chibuchi. And ye now, Fay, I do pray now, 737 British Air Force, Phoebe. Mr. Kumasi Mantamu and Kofoko, take a bar, take a share for Papa. The moon yaso the concrete, I could trap. Namo, Muntie, Omono, I will free a corner. So who could take it no one cry? Not the Turkish air do the same cry, no bar. That's a nipa munipe woman, Omoko Omomabu. Make a new print back by a better traffic now, the book room one also. A better President, the one of Mudio infrastructure now, and see a DCO. May you prefer to take back a better idea. The Akane, woman, Temu, the Betty Corner, you have to take it no. Then conform to a bar. Brain back, Kumasi 200. And no money option. No mapa. No two near free. It's a Miss Ramo. On my Baya and India, but two for a someone so. And I would dear Miss Ramo. That's what the room. They are called for the year to almost. No more can take it no how. That's the plane flap which they back. It might be here and there. I'm saying that present us. We can't acquire fast. Tama covered no call you see some year Pasakakra. And acquire with the former minister can afford that fast. But Pierre go for Sikapa. Someone my alone no say Sikana maybe because they will issues. Or go for a free baby. And mammy about 2 4 minutes can be home. nti former minister no and current minister din na why your mafamu de mo so my ade bobo ma baso na ye fa so airport ye wie tumfo me dawase na ye futuo no support me ba omumi amaya ko ade mo beye kone koye na me betra na wo se adwuma na aka ba ko wankra no ezumi wie na so eno so sikasam ya bai za ma ko yina fa kwan bi so no nim no ade dada wo ye magician eno so akofes ka bi ankra akra bi so am sha mo ba se no so phase 1 e be wie na no so de sha ni na e makani ina wie no maka president ye maka otumfo de maka abnada ba maka kofiada na me so e se me so se mbo me ho ba so na me ba me so e kwa ya ni na fa so a ye ni na ya bo a o mo ko ya friend na fo ba me so bo ba ya bo ni awie me da mase ya me sham na mo made na fi wo no ye ni na ya mo a na so mo fa so me da mase be